Welcome to the most disliked show on YouTube. Welcome to the most disliked show on YouTube. Welcome to the most...
Now watch this. Now it might be fake, but I don't think so. And if it's real, and I think it is real, it is absolutely great. To strike that kind of fear into an animal is something to behold and something beautiful. And just to watch the skin of that, looked like a bulldog. I don't know. I'm just getting familiar with the breeds. To watch the skin just sort of melt away. People casually, putting the body of this poor dog into like a bowl and just casually eating it. Well, Spike over there is looking on in horror. One of the best.